I would probably still have the same original windows, because if I had let the sticker shock happen, I would have not done it. Because the longer I wait, the higher the CPS bill was getting, because they kept raising it and raising it. So I needed to do something to lower it. The original windows was kind of weird. The front ones had the bronze, but everything else was aluminum, and they were single pane, and it was so cold in the winter and blistering hot in summer that I was having to put double type curtains to keep the heat and the warmth in, and the CPS bill was getting higher and higher. One, you're local. Two, y'all been for a while here. I looked into your competition that's here locally, and one of them, they said, don't use them, they're terrible. I was like, okay. The windows are made in the United States, that's another great thing. And just the idea of the warranty y'all have, that anything can go wrong, y'all come out and look at it and fix it. And your workmanship, and if y'all have crews like the one I was sent, if all your crews are like that, that's awesome. The heat has stayed in, it's cooler. The AC doesn't come on that much, or the heat now. It's kept a really good temperature, and the front door locks, and I don't have to take a key to unlock it. And then I had a screen door key. It was a nightmare trying to get out. So now it's just easy, and my husband likes it because it's a very secure door. Oh yes, definitely. I mean, the workmanship, the guys that took the time to do stuff that I was like really impressed by. Bob came out and filled in the gaps around the windows with brick mortar, and that was like, oh, they didn't put another piece of wood. They didn't like do something like put caulk in it. They actually took the time to match up to the brick mortar. So that was cool. I wish I had done it sooner, but because of the cost, it was like sticker shock at first. That was the only thing. Because of the economy, everything has gotten so expensive. But other than that, no, I'm really pleased.